Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can restore the old YouTube layout. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is of course hop onto youtube.com. Now this will take you to the YouTube page, and as you can see right here we have the normal layout. It's the same as it always used to be. Now how do we change this? It's very easy. We go down and open up a different tab and we type in Chrome Web Store. Now here we open up the Chrome Web Store, the Google Chrome Web Store, and we type in YouTube Redux. As you can see right here, this is a Google Chrome extension. Here we simply add this to our Chrome website, add extension, and as you can see here, it's been added. Now here you can see the settings, you can play around with it, and here you can also restore the old comment styles, use a darker red color. You can also use the dislike function on a YouTube video again. And here if I open up YouTube and open up the YouTube page, let's wait a couple of seconds, and here we have the old YouTube style. As you can see how it all used to be. If I maximize it, you can see it better. And here is the first one, the new YouTube, and here is the old YouTube. It's kinda nostalgic. Now it's a very easy process. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.